Working on electric lines can be very dangerous for linemen. We must stay focused at all times while working around high voltages, whether it's a hot summer day or a cold, icy night. While driving, you may see our trucks parked alongside an Edmond street as we work. You can help us stay safe by remembering to slow down and pay attention. Usually, signs like this are placed on the road to let you know we are working nearby. Please pay attention to the flaggers and crew members who are directing traffic. Our job is dangerous enough without having to worry about vehicles on the road. So you can help our linemen restore power quickly and safely by paying close attention to your surroundings and slowing down in our work zones. I'm Brett Griffin with Edmond Electric, reminding you that when you're in our work zones, keep it safe.